How do you see it, Nicky?
Hello, Nicky. No, hello, Neil. It's Nicky.
Is it Nicky or Mickey? Sorry.
It's Nicky. Sorry.
Go on, Nicky.
Hello.
What do you want to say?
Before I make my point, Neil, I'd like to ask you the question on every single Canary fan's lips at the moment. Hello.
Go on. Yeah, go on.
Hello. I'd like to ask you, how big is your penis?
Well, thanks very much for that, Nicky. We'll move on. We'll go back to Richard in the studio for some text.
Yeah, thanks for that, Neil. Sean in Norwich has asked...
Too much of that. I'm still trying to find a tape measure for Nicky. I'll let him know as soon as I've got one. But we're on about these referees again. I mean, we've talked about it 2 or 3 times today.